research on this last night. Sanders is always pushing 1%, 1%. They're the enemy. They're bad. They stole it. But then I actually found an article out of PolitiFact that found his statement is true, that Sanders knows this, of course, and said exactly what I just said in this report. Bernie Sanders says top 0.1% in U.S. have almost as much wealth as the bottom 90. And he means that of the bottom 90 of the 1%. Well, actually, we have the real math for you. And so it's the very elites sicking the public on the 1%, the 2%. The general public thinks somebody with a nicer car stole it, and found that Bernie Sanders has now lately in some speeches been saying it's not really the 1%, it's the 0.1%. Shouldn't they have to pay billions? Yeah, but they already rigged the system, and then it turns out they're the ones behind the scenes promoting this, and he's their front guy. It's like the Federal Reserve banks opposed the Federal Reserve passage in 1913 publicly to try to fool the public into supporting it. It's the book Superclass, written by Rothkopf. The elite themselves say there's 6,000 that own and rule half the wealth of the world, and that's back when that book was written. That's back when that book was written 8 years ago. It's closer to 60% of the wealth now. And so they're desperate to scapegoat the middle class for what they've done.